Hello, and welcome to my bookshelf. No, let me do that again. Are you going crazy yet? I'm great. Today, I'm going to show you how to slay a Shelfie styling using everything from your home. The 3 rules I like to go by are stack up, line up, and zigzag. Those are to create balance and composition. Texture. Texture always adds, and there was water in that. So now that we've stacked on this shelf, we're going to line up on this shelf. Adding plants is always a great touch. Don't be afraid to use things that aren't necessarily planters or vases, if you will. This was actually a decanter that we got for our wedding and it chipped at the mouth, but I just thought it was so beautiful, so now we use it as just a really pretty vase for our plants. There's no rules when it comes to what you put on a shelf. I just kind of like to keep it funky and fun to look at. Now for the bottom, we want to anchor it. So make sure it's something of substance. It could be a sculpture, it could be a big plant, or just, several bottles of alcohol, whatever you got. Don't forget about the top. If you have room on top, it's a great place to put a plant to add a little extra drama. I think this one should do. I love plants that have like a ton of flair. It reminds me of a wig, and I love a good wig. So she is now fully dressed. Now you can see as you're looking at the shelf, completely done, the stacking up, the lining up, and the zigzagging of the heavier items to create balance and composition. I can't wait to see what you do with your shelves, and hopefully this helps you from going a little bit stir crazy, as I'm sure we all are. Sending lots of love. Thank you.